What if I told you that the strength in your legs, the power to walk, to stand tall, to climb stairs confidently, could begin to return, not in the gym, not through hours of painful workouts, but quietly while you sleep? Yes, while you sleep, just one simple spoonful before bed. No. It's not magic. It's not hype. It's a science-backed routine designed specifically for seniors, especially those who feel their strength slipping away a little more each day. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle. At first, a little stiffness, a little weakness, but after the age of 60, this process speeds up. Standing from a chair feels harder, walking feels tiring, carrying groceries becomes a challenge. And for many seniors, this leads to fear of falling, loss of confidence, and even isolation. But here's something most people don't know. This loss of strength is not only natural, it's reversible. Yes, even in your 60 seconds, 70 seconds, or 80 seconds, the secret lies in understanding when the body actually rebuilds strength. Muscle is not built during exercise. It's built during recovery, especially during sleep. While you sleep, your body repairs damaged muscle tissue and rebuilds it stronger, but only if it has the right fuel. Without that fuel, your body continues to break down muscle, especially in the legs, the very foundation of your independence. Here's the part most people miss. At night, your body enters deep repair mode. If you give it a slow digesting protein or a gentle blend of muscle-supporting nutrients right before bed, you extend muscle nourishment for 6 to 8 hours while you sleep. That's why one spoon before bed can be so powerful. That one spoon could be a scoop of slow-release protein or something simple and natural. Warm milk, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, and maybe a teaspoon of chia seeds. No chemicals, no pills, just a calming drink that works quietly through the night. As it digests slowly, your muscles, especially the muscles in your legs, receive a steady flow of amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to prevent muscle loss and support rebuilding. And why the legs? Because they are everything. They carry your weight, control your balance, protect you from falls. Weak legs mean loss of freedom, but strong legs mean confidence, stability, independence. Now imagine this. Every night, you build a simple habit. One drink, one spoon, you sleep peacefully, knowing your body is working for you, not against you. After a few weeks, you notice the change. Standing feels easier. Walking feels steadier. Stairs don't feel as intimidating. That's not a miracle. That's your body finally getting what it needs. So how do you start? Each night before bed, prepare a small glass of warm milk or your favorite high-protein alternative. Stir in your one spoon, mix it slowly, drink it calmly, then rest. You don't need to run. You don't need heavy workouts. You don't need a gym. You just need to support your body the way it's been asking for. One spoon every night.
Hit like, subscribe for deeper systems, smarter programming.